In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsnooze notifications on Slack. If you've paused alerts and you're no longer seeing pings, this quick walkthrough will get everything back to normal in just a moment. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search box, type Slack and press Enter. In the results, click the official Slack website so you can access your workspace in the browser. Once your workspace opens, you'll be on the main Slack interface where your channels and direct messages appear. Look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area, usually showing your name or profile picture next to your workspace. Click that profile section to open a small menu with status and notification options. In that menu, move your mouse over Pause Notifications. Don't click it yet. Just hover your cursor. When you hover, Slack reveals more options. This is where you can see how long notifications were snoozed for, along with a control to bring them back. From that expanded panel, click Resume Notifications. The moment you do this, Slack turns notifications back on for your workspace. You should no longer see the paused indicator, and any bell icon with a slash through it should return to its normal state. From here on, new messages and channels and direct messages will alert you according to your existing preferences. A few quick tips to make sure everything sticks. If you had previously snoozed notifications for a specific time window, resuming them this way overrides that temporary pause immediately. If you don't see the resume notifications option, that usually means notifications aren't actually paused. In that case, simply close the menu and you're already good to go. Remember that unsnoozing applies across the devices tied to your Slack account, so if you paused notifications on desktop, turning them back on here will reflect on the web app as well. After resuming, you can keep an eye on your next few messages to confirm you're receiving alerts again, especially in priority channels or direct messages that matter most. And that's all it takes. By going to Google, opening Slack, clicking your profile at the lower left, hovering over Pause Notifications, and selecting Resume Notifications, you've unsnoozed alerts and you're back in the loop. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your notifications working exactly the way you want.